Yeah, because I've been hitting up against that a lot lately. Different members on different parts of my team, I've spent different amounts of time explaining the overall goal, the overall vision, the overall path that we're moving on. And I'll realize that efficiency and I'll be like, oops, I'm way behind with this person. They don't know what we're doing. They're just focused on their one little tiny thing. And then all of a sudden I'm like 2 or 3 weeks past them as far as like planning, and in my mind, 2 3 weeks in an entrepreneur mind, you're like 5 years back. You're never going to catch up. So I can't just be leaving
Totally.
people behind is what I'm saying. I've got to keep bringing them along. And as the vision grows, as the vision, kind of like gets more solidified and specific, I tell everybody in the company all that's
The one thing that I need to focus on more that we've been talking about is the vision, right? Like we do a great job of values, we do a great job of process improvement, but one of the things that we're looking at, we're focusing on is vision, the why. Like, what is it? Why do we do this? Why does, anybody in the organization that's doing one piece of the pie, what is the why on top of just getting a paycheck, right? And that's one area that we're trying to focus more on and explain. For us, it's truly changing lives, right? Because we look at this and we have repeat investor after repeat investor after repeat investor.